To deploy apps on Jekyo, you must have Node.js, npm, and Git installed locally on your machine. You can find more details about the local setup in the description below. If it's your first time using Jekyo, you need to install it, create an account, and sign in. All of these can be done from your terminal. To install Jekyo, run npm install pass the global flag Jekyo. To create an account, run Jekyo user sign up and follow the instructions. To sign in, run Jekyo user sign in. Input your username and password. This tutorial covers two scenarios: creating and deploying a sample Brunch app and configuring and deploying an existing Brunch app. To create a Brunch app, run Jekyo create. This will show you a list of many different frameworks. Selecting one will clone a pre-configured basic sample app that you can build upon. So go ahead and select Brunch using the arrows on your keyboard. Name your application anything you want. I will name it Brunch Demo. Now you can see that in the folder you are working in, there's a new folder called Brunch Demo with the app inside of it. To deploy this app, you need to switch to its directory. So run cd Brunch Demo and now run Jekyo deploy. Now the app is deployed and we can follow this link to see it live. If you want to redeploy this app after you've modified it, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. To deploy an existing Brunch app, first navigate to its directory. In my case, it's called Brunch Tutorial and it's the same app as before except the necessary configuration. So I'm running cd Brunch Tutorial. Now I'm in the app's root. This needs to be a Git repository. If you haven't done so already, make your first commit by running git init, git add dot, which is short for all, and git commit initial commit. If this was already a Git repository, you can skip this step. Next, you must edit this file called brunch config.js. Make sure the module exports includes the necessary port and host for Jekyo. The host name should be 0.0.0.0 to allow connections from outside. The port should be 4139. Go ahead and save the file and now commit the change. So git add brunch config.js, git commit added host and port to brunch config. Now run Jekyo create and this time select none from the list. This creates an app on Jekyo that's temporarily empty. We will then link our local app to this empty app on Jekyo. Give your app a name. Let's say Brunch Tutorial. It doesn't have to match to your folder's name. It can be anything else. Link your local app by running Jekyo link. Select your recently named app, in my case Brunch Tutorial, and now simply run Jekyo deploy. This can take a few seconds or a couple of minutes depending on your app. Now the app is deployed and we can follow this link to see that it is live. If you need to push some local changes to update your live app, add the modified files to the Git index by running git add, commit your changes, and simply run Jekyo deploy again. You will see your changes live in a few moments without any downtime. Feel free to post any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.